Maybe you did me wrong, but I never knew life without you. I love you so I wrote you this song. When will I feel that feeling too? They say that love makes the world go round, yet even so it can't be found in my life somehow. Each new hit feels like a call to action, but right now I need is distraction. So can we talk about anything that isn't love for just 5 minutes? And valid conversations can be had where love's not in it, yet it's on every lip, on every tongue, in every lyric that seems to be sung. An obsession with pining in bitter breakups and graphic descriptions of every hookup.